Snowfall is really common here in Estonia. It starts to snow from November to March. But I would also say that October and April usually have some snowing days, and when it snows, it could get messy and cold at the same time. As you can see, there are a lot of cars parked here, and people would be going to work with the use of public transport today. I would also be using the public transport, which is free for residents living in Tallinn. Estonia is so cold and is said to be the coldest in the Baltics. So you need to be prepared for it just in case you're planning to come to Estonia. It's not just about being a foreigner or not. The cold also affects both the locals and foreigners. I am Charles, and in this video I'm going to show you what it's like living in Estonia. So guys, this is me going to work this morning. The weather is so bad. It's been so bad since last night. It was very windy all through the night, and it was also snowing. So I woke up this morning and I couldn't go to work with the car because the road is bad. It's so slippery. So I have to go to work with the bus. But I think I would prefer using the tram. So let's see. I don't think I can drive this morning. I can't afford that. giveaway sign and no stopping, no parking sign here. Just heading straight, and I'll get to the tram stop, the tram station, where I'll get the tram that takes me to work. Super cold. You hear that? Can you see? This bus has an issue already. I guess the driver is not aware. Oh, just have to walk and cross over there. There's a tram coming already. And we have people here. So what time is this? Come on, I have to go with this. The essence of this video is to showcase the beauty of Estonia and also show you guys what it's like living here in Estonia as a foreigner. It could get hard, but I would also say adaptation is key, and this would help you to fit into the system. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. Keep liking, keep sharing, turn on your notification, and I will see you on my next video.